Tonight, the fight to stop the massive tragedy of opioid deaths in America has Geraldo Rivera on the front lines once again. 24 hospitals in hard-hit places like West Virginia and Kentucky are now going directly after the opioid manufacturers and the distributors. They want them to pay for the damages that they say they set in motion. Correspondent at large Geraldo Rivera tracking this nationwide and joins me now live tonight. Geraldo, good to see you.
Thank you, Martha. This is a national catastrophe, and it's fueled by corporate greed. You have the opioid manufacturers, you have the distributors, you have the doctors and pharmacists who played along, pretending that these drugs weren't as addictive as they are. You mentioned West Virginia and Kentucky, two states devastated by the opioid OD epidemic, overdose epidemic. I've just come back from Sarasota, Florida, one of the 2,000 plaintiffs in the many lawsuits against Big Pharma. William Robinson is the lead attorney in Sarasota. Watch.
They started a marketing campaign to change the narrative. And what they wanted, and if you look at the statistics, was to convince the mainstream physicians and medical professionals that opioids would be appropriate for chronic pain. And they're not, because the body gets used to it.
Do you think that this was a deliberate manipulation of information designed to get people hooked on drugs?
That's absolutely true.
Aside from the lawsuits, Martha, Sarasota also has an innovative program in the jail where they're trying to give these addicts a way to clean up, stay clean, and go home. Here it is.
I've been in the business a long time, 49 years. And they say once a junkie, always a junkie. Do you fear that as clean as they seem now, that when they get back out there, they'll do it again?
No, and we got success stories here to prove it.
David here is one of the success stories in county jail. How often have you been arrested?
I'd be lying to you if I had an exact number. It's a lot.
How long have you been clean and sober?
Going on 6 years.
How'd you turn it around?
Actually in these pods.
So what are you doing in life now?
I have a great career, a family that loves me, just trying to put one foot in front of the other and progress every day.
How does it feel having David around for you guys?
We all want to do better. We all have great intentions. We want that old life back.
This program right here is making me not just be a better human being, but a better father, a better, son, a better, just everything.
Being in the recovery pod has taught me that there is a solution and there are people out there willing to help you.
This was the first place that I really believed that it was possible, that it was worth it, and that it was attainable. I didn't think that before.
I'm in recovery, and I'm hoping that everything works out and that I get my children back. I want my life back, and it breaks my heart every day that I don't get to see them, don't get to hug them because of the choices that I've made.
Breaking that addiction is very difficult, Martha, but they do have a success rate that exceeds the national rate. They say that about 44% of all addicts who get clean they go back. They are recidivists. In this program in Sarasota, it's 34%. So there's a meaningful improvement. If you give them compassion, you give them a direction, you give them a life lesson, it really seems to work.
I mean, it's an incredible piece of reporting that you put together there, Geraldo. And I just think that, you can't be a human being and listen to these people's stories and not pull for them and not want to create programs like this that can help them. But as you say, there is a corporate greed element to this, and you think it's analogous in some ways to the tobacco companies who knew what they were doing, but were okay at making money off of it for all those years.
And swore on an oath that tobacco was good for people or not addictive. It is time to pay the piper. Mm-hmm. These drug manufacturers now, they are the drug cartels. They are the corner pusher, and we have to think of them in that light. These are the people responsible. They made the billions. They donated to everybody, became social big shots, and now they're going to be in orange jumpsuits.
Well, the president has said that he's not going to accept any money from pharmaceutical companies for that purpose, which I think is interesting. I wonder if other candidates will also commit to that. Geraldo, thank you very much.
Great pledge.
Great to see you tonight.
Thank you, Martha.